Django model versus Model.objects.create. What is the difference between running two commands? And? Does the second one immediately create a bar model in the database, while for foo model, the save method has to be called explicitly to add it to the database?
This URL. To create and save an object in a single step, use the create method. The differences between model and Model.objects.create are the following. Insert versus update. Model.save does either insert or update of an object in a DB, while Model.objects.create does only insert. Model.save does update if the object's primary key attribute is set to a value that evaluates to true. Insert if the object's primary key attribute is not set or if the update didn't update anything, for example if primary key is set to a value that doesn't exist in the database. Existing primary key. If primary key attribute is set to a value and such primary key already exists, then Model.save performs update, but Model.objects.create raises integrity error. Consider the following models.py. Insert/update to DB with Model.save. Result. Insert to DB with Model.objects.create. Explanation. In the example, math.save does an update, changes name from physics to math, and max_marks from 100 to 50, because subject_it is a primary key and subject_it equals 1 already exists in the DB. But subject.objects.create raises integrity error, because, again the primary key subject_it with the value 1 already exists. Forced insert. Model.save can be made to behave as Model.objects.create by using force_insert equals true parameter, Model.save force_insert equals true. Return value. Model.save return none where Model.objects.create return model instance i.e. package_name.models.model. Conclusion. Model.objects.create does model initialization and performs save with force_insert equals true. Excerpt from the source code of Model.objects.create. For more details follow the links. This URL. This URL. The two syntaxes are not equivalent and it can lead to unexpected errors. Here is a simple example showing the differences. If you have a model, and you create a first object, then you try to create an object with the same primary key.
Update March 15, 2017. I have opened a Django issue on this and it seems to be preliminary accepted here, this URL. My experience is that when using the constructor, ORM, class by references with Django 1.10.5 there might be some inconsistencies in the data, i.e. the attributes of the created object may get the type of the input data instead of the casted type of the ORM object property. Example. Models. Sum_test.py, object.create. Sum_test.py, constructor.